Okay, so I'm doing what I thought was going to be extremely simple, quick, cheap replacing of speakers in the Airstream. And what I found is actually more complicated, because when I went and tested the speakers that were in here, found that none of the speakers worked. So I ordered some new speakers, installed them into the housing, into the speaker bracket, and then found that the connector that's wired into the Argosy is this female spade connector. It doesn't fit on the new speaker, so I had to figure out that speakers typically use a different size spade connector. So this is a 0.187 inch female connector, 16 to 14 gauge. So we're going to take off the old connectors, which are a 0.250 inch connection, and I'm going to strip the wire back and install the new spade connector so that we can put our new speakers in. Removing the screws that will hold the speaker bracket in place, and then I will get these spade connectors connected onto the new speaker, and then we're going to screw this speaker in. So right now I don't care, the wires aren't marked with positive or negative connection. So right now what we're going to do is just put them on, and then we will do a little test at the other end of the wire to see which one's positive, which one's negative. And then we'll get those hooked up to the 4-channel Bluetooth amp that we got to go with this. Okay, so now the speaker is installed, and we can do a test for the positive and negative on the wire, and also test the continuity of the connection from the speaker wire to where the amp location is. So this is the location that our speaker wires are pulled to that connect to the 4 spots, and I'm going to check the continuity and the positive and negative wire using a 9-volt battery. So all I'm doing is touching the wire to the positive and to the negative, and that moves the speaker.
Yep.
Hook it up to the Bluetooth amp that we have, and this one's a 4-channel, so it will control each speaker independently for volume, which maybe is a bit overkill, but that's what I wanted. So we could have front and back controls, and each area controlled. And so all we're going to do is terminate the speaker wires into this terminal block, and then hook that up to to the Wi-Fi amp. So that speaker.
Out.
Yeah, that's correct. Rear. Let's go rear. Passenger is going to be up next, and it is.
Out.
Okay. wires are terminated with the correct polarity. And all I have to do is plug this terminal box into the amp. Oh dear. And then I will get some power run to the amp as a test, and then we'll find a better way to clean up the cords, because as my wife knows, I hate cords. So here we go, we're just getting this powered up, and then we'll get a test of this. Moment of truth, we're just going to give it a go and see if it worked. So, music from my phone. Success! Yay!